Hi, and welcome back, everyone. So, as some of you might remember, I talked about this raised bed experiment earlier in the year. Now, what makes it an experiment is what I filled it with. So, it's just a raised bed against this shed, and I didn't fill it with soil and compost as you usually would, but I filled it with lots of mulch, lots of manure, some green waste compost, some homemade compost, so basically whatever I could find. Also use these comfrey leaves, as you can see, as mulch, and I've got some liquid feed here, some comfrey liquid feed that I use regularly. Now, am I happy with the results? I'm pretty pleased. There's definitely a lot of fruit setting everywhere. There you can see a pepper, here an aubergine. Some of the plants could look healthier and could set better fruit, like some of the peppers and aubergines are still a bit small and aren't really fruiting, so it could also be that there's just not enough room in this raised bed for so many crops. So I've got the tomatoes planted against the wall and they're climbing up the wall on some string, and that's working pretty fine. They're setting fruit quite well. Could be a bit better, but I'm pretty pleased with the results. So yeah, next year I'll fill up the bed some more. I'm considering whether to plant peppers or aubergines here at all, or maybe less, so it's less crowded. But I think all in all, it was a success so far this year. And you might also notice these plates. So they're actually ollas, which are clay pot containers. So they're terracotta, but they're unglazed so that the water can seep through slowly. And I lifted up one of these earlier, and the roots of the tomato plants really go there. So they're trying to get some of the moisture from these ollas. I don't have to water too much here. I do water more than the rest of the garden, just because this area, has an overhang, so it doesn't receive that much water when it rains. But all in all, there's not too much pressure to come and water here regularly. Maybe once or twice a week is fine. And I give it some liquid feed once a week as well. And yeah, that seems to be working pretty okay. I'll maybe do another update at the end of the season with the crop to show you how productive it was. But I think all in all, for first year, the result is pretty good. All right, guys, see you next time. Thanks for watching.